Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely wonderful today. I'm going to be doing a skincare review. It's one of my favourite types of reviews to do for you because I think it can help so many people. I'm going to be reviewing a brand called Peppy Co. They kindly sent me their Day and Night Gentle Cleanser and their face cleansing egg, which is an exfoliating brush. I'm super excited to share my experiences with you. If you want to find out how to use it, my overall thoughts, then keep on watching. I'm going to be doing a review today on a brand new product. I was amazingly sent some goodies from Peppy Co. They sent me their face cleansing egg, their Day and Night Gentle Cleanser. I'll show you properly when I take the egg out of the box, by the way. And they also sent me this, I think it's like a face brush. Like maybe it's like one to just wipe away after you've used the face cleansing egg. I need to read up more on this, but it doesn't say on the package, so I will let you know. But I just thought we could jump into the review really quickly. I need to put my hair up. So this is my skin at the moment. Hopefully you can see properly. I'm in the bathroom, so I've just got natural lighting instead of my usual ring light. My skin lately, I've not really been giving it the TLC that I feel that it truly needs. I mean, it feels a little bit unloved, not as soft, not as glowy as it usually is. So I'm very much looking forward to using the face cleansing egg. I'll tell you a little bit about Peppy Co. So they're an Australian brand. So their cleansing egg is worth £65, which is incredible. The Gentle Cleanser, which is a 150ml bottle. It's eco-friendly, vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, natural ingredients with no harmful chemicals, which is amazing. This is £14 as well. Both products have had incredible reviews. And they've also got a 30% discount at the moment, so I will pop that in the description below for you. What I love about their website, by the way, is that it has a step-by-step of how to use the product on. So this is actually a makeup removal mitt. I was wondering what it was because it doesn't say, but that's great. It's obviously more for the evening, so I won't use this morning because I don't have any makeup on. I didn't wear any makeup yesterday, so that's fantastic. So but I will be wearing makeup today, so I will use this evening. But good to know. There you go. That's just £4, but you can get a pack of 3 for 10. So Peppy Co was actually created by a husband and wife called Ermin and Mia, and they created Peppy Co because they both battled with skin imperfections, stress and non-stress related acne, blemishes, and just about everything else, which is really lovely. I love when a brand is created from personal experience because you know the quality of the products that have been made is because obviously they've experienced, you know, skin issues themselves rather than creating a product that they think people are going to want, but they've never experienced acne or blemishes or bad skin in their life. It's just incredible that it's been created by two people that understand skin issues. I love that. And I love when it's created by a family. I think it's fantastic. Their products are all natural, cruelty-free and Australian made. What I'll do is I'll link where you can find more about the brand in the description box, otherwise I'll be stood here reading to you rather than just getting into actually reviewing the products. Let's get stuck in because I'm just so excited. Hopefully, yeah, super easy. On the back it also has the instructions of how to use the product, which I always find really useful because sometimes I create my own steps, but I do like to, especially with products like this, just actually follow the steps that are recommended. It's got in the box a "here's how it works" card, which also shows you step by step, so you can keep this, which is really useful and really helpful to follow it. So here's what the product looks like. I just had to hold it in because it fell out. There you go. So when you take it out, it gets like a little holder and the egg shape goes and sits in like that. I like it. The bristles feel really soft. It's also got like a tougher edge on this side, so you can, I'm guessing there's multiple ways that you can cleanse your skin with this. Right, let's open the rest of it because I think there's a charger in here. So it's rechargeable, so it's not batteries, it's rechargeable, so obviously it will have a longer life, which I much prefer because it means that I can use it over and over and over again, which is great. Yeah, can you hear that? I don't know if you can see it moving. Right, there we go. Okay, so that's good. It's already got some charge to it, so I don't have to charge it before trying. I probably should have checked that before I did this video, but there we are. Let's jump in. Okay, it says wash your face but do not dry it. Wet the silicone egg and turn it on. Apply the cleanser to the egg or to your face. I'll probably apply it to the cleanser. No, to the egg, sorry. I'll probably apply the cleanser to the egg. And it says choose suitable speed and gently glide the egg in circular motion over your face. Wash your face to remove cleanser and dry it gently. I'm just going to quickly grab a flannel so I can wipe any excess that's left on my skin after. So I've just wet my face like so. I'm excited to try the day and night cleanser. This is soap-free, non-drying formula. And it says a light foaming face gel wash that gently removes all traces of dirt and makeup to leave skin thoroughly cleansed and refreshed without irritation or discomfort. Right, so I'm just going to apply some to the egg. Close that quickly. I've just done like a large pea-sized amount, if you can see that. Right, I'm just going to turn it on. Put it on my face. You just press it down and then there's like a plus and minus button. I'm going to turn it up a bit because I want it to really cleanse my skin. It feels really nice. It's not rough or anything, but it applies like a decent amount of pressure as well, so you do feel it. The cleanser doesn't really smell of anything. I'm just going to get in my nose. My head. What I can see, which I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's starting to foam slightly. It says I need to use for a minute, so I'm just gonna, I think we need to check the time, so I'm gonna use it for another 30 seconds maybe. Right, so you can see it goes onto the egg really nicely, so it's easy to wash. My skin feels like it's had a massage. That's how my face feels. It's lovely. I'm just going to quickly swirl this. I'm just going to wash my face and I'll show you what my skin looks like. I've just wet the flannel so you can see. What I like is that it can go like by your nose as well. It's just, I always get really dry skin because I've got a nose ring as well. I tend to get makeup gets stuck around it, so I really have to clean it thoroughly to make sure that, you know, nothing gets caught around my nose ring. And what's really great about that is that you can really feel it working. It's yeah, super nice. My skin feels so clean. It looks so clean, it's lovely. So this is what my skin looks like now. I feel like it's woken my skin up. It's given me a little bit more colour and my skin just feels so soft. Yeah, I'm loving that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw some clothes on and I'm going to get changed, and then I'll jump back on camera and I'll show you the products up close, and I'll also give you my final thoughts. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Right, so I hope you enjoyed watching that review just then. That was my first impressions trying the Peppy Co cleansing egg and cleanser, and I'm super excited to also try it tonight. So it's a day and night routine. It's meant to be your everyday routine, so I'm super excited to obviously continue to use that. As you saw from that video, I really enjoyed the application. I really enjoyed the result as well. I've got makeup on now, so you can't truly see my real skin. I've only got a bit of blusher and some highlighter on. My skin feels lovely, like it feels so nourished and soft. Putting my makeup on after was just a dream. It just was gliding on. It wasn't sticking in my pores or anything like that. I felt like there was no dry patches on my skin. It was just such a nice experience, where lately my skin hasn't been looking so hot, I'm not gonna lie. It's not been something I have really been paying as much attention to as I would normally, because I've just had so much going on in my personal life that I've just kind of dropped the ball slightly on taking care of myself, which I've picked back up, and I'm really excited to kind of keep using the cleansing egg and their cleanser. What's really great about this is that it's a rechargeable cleanser, so you just apply, as you saw in the video, you just apply the cleanser on, and you just for a minute take that time and exfoliate your skin, and it just feels like you're getting a face massage. It's just so wonderful. I'm obsessed. I also really love the colour of this. It's just such a nice like purple, so beautiful. The cleanser itself was really nice on, didn't smell of anything. I do really love the fact that it's created from natural ingredients and there's no harmful chemicals. It's vegan friendly, it's cruelty free, and it's also eco-friendly as well, which is fantastic. And it's got some really amazing ingredients in. I will, as I said earlier, link everything link everything in the description below for you. But honestly, it was a really great experience. It was a really great first try. It was super simple to wipe off the skin. I didn't feel like it was still tacky or stuck on my skin. It made my skin feel really clear as well, which I really love. So overall, I'm super impressed with these products, and I would highly recommend them to you. This video is not sponsored. I was gifted, very fortunately gifted these, and I would buy them over and over again just for my first experience. I'm looking forward to continuing to use these products and seeing the benefits that it has on my skin over time. Obviously the cleanser was lovely. It was my first try, so I don't know, how my skin's going to react to it, but it just felt so clean and just wonderful on the skin. So far, first impressions, amazing. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this review, and I really hope you found it useful, and maybe I've introduced you to a brand that you've not heard of before. I didn't hear of Peppy Co before, and I'm so glad that they reached out to me, because honestly, I don't use many products consistently every single day, but I guarantee this will be one that I will be using every single morning and night. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.